Guys, that was a great race I just saw. It was just a little bit pretty good. They got Fresno team and the Modesto team will go at it back and forth. I think it was the other one was probably a San Diego team, which is more a seasonal bunch of folks that had done a lot of the boat racing before. So that was very interesting to watch them, kind of go at it. That was so much fun. That was just a heap of energy. As I said, it's getting really late here, getting dark. Everyone's excited about it. It's just crazy right now. So we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens.
We gotta do loud pride, loud culture, loud tradition, loud heritage, like this one.
Yeah, loud proud. All right. Whoa, there's a lot of people out here today. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of recognition, but first I want to call up the Vachatam Lao
Foundation. And get his ass here. Pet Rasamong, please come up.
Uncle Pet. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that we recognize Mr. Pet and Ikdoy Rasamong, where you at?
That's right.
Yep, get that. Okay.
As you can see, we volunteer from the heart, okay?
All right. Like I told Kalem before, when he first called me, he said, Pet, we want to have a labo racing in Merced. And I said, you sure? Because one thing you have to have is the boat. You guys have any boats? He said, no. That's why we call you. So, long story short, I want to recognize and thank the San Diego Dragon Boat team, Sylvia, and everybody out here. They gave us 2 boats for free, right? Yeah. So we got 2 boats here for free. Helped us load it and everything. So if you didn't see the clip, go to the Tamlan Foundation Facebook page. You will see that video on there, okay? So with that said, I gave out my whole heart. I told them that I would be here whenever they need to. I came up to look at the venue. They're gonna put you guys way over there at first. I was like, no, we are not walking around that until just come back here and look. So anyway, we got this venue right here. I think it's beautiful. Sunset on the horizon, right? And of course, we just can't thank them enough. All these folks put in hard work. I heard they have a meeting until midnight every night for the last 2 weeks. So thank you so much, guys. And congratulations to all of you. The community, you made this happen. I mean, we have some flaws we gotta fix, some rules we gotta change. So hopefully next year we can help collaborate, make it better, okay? So come back next year. Practice early though, practice early. They have 4 boats. Practice early, practice makes better, right? Okay, thank you so much.
Right. He has 500,000 followers, guys, Molam Fitness in Facebook, YouTube. 500,000. He is catching up to Jesselyn. 500,000 followers. Follow on Facebook, Molam Fitness.
Thank you, thank you. The next person I'd like to come up will be, we want to recognize a couple of our founders, okay? So I would like Kamala Emmanuel to come up front and Chris Buglassi to come up front. like you guys to say a little something.
I'll say a little bit of something and a lot of something. First of all, I want to thank you, everyone here. You know, even though the planning, staying up until midnight, we work hard, but this thing cannot happen without everyone here. So you guys made it possible. And then I want to thank a bit for being here, flying over here. When I asked him about the boat, he goes, "Are you sure you don't have a boat?" Yeah. So I was like, "I'm sure." And I talked to my brother, Peng, over here. I was, "You know what? We can build one." He goes, "Good luck." I bet say, "Good luck." Let me ask the San Diego team to see if we can have some boat they want to give away, right? And then he connect with us with somebody, you know, that made it happen. And then thank you. She's the one that donated the boat to us. Yes. Sylvia, her name is Sylvia. Yes, dragon boat, yes.
Sylvia.
And then I want to say Paulette too made it possible. Yes. And then, yeah. Where is Paulette? She's not here. Oh, Paulette is here, right there. All right.
So just on that note, sorry to cut you off. I like to recognize that team as well. So here's a certificate also from the legislator for your guys' organization, okay? Can someone come on stage and accept this on your guys' behalf? Go ahead, Uncle.
Oh, right. Want to say something? Yeah, I know. Bobby Posem.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, like we invite Team San Diego to be here. We're happy to be here to help and to celebrate our culture here. Next year we're going to be better. I believe Ho's going to promise that, and we're going to be here also to help it better. Thank you.
Thank you, San Diego. Thank you, San Diego.
I just want to say something. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all of you to be a part of this boat race. And then all of you be here today. Through from the bottom of my heart, you are the winner. Thank you.
Without you, it won't happen. Without you, very important.
Without all your love and support, it won't happen. Thank you.
Can we also have someone from LACF up to the stage? They are one of our biggest supporters that we have through our events, and I'd like to personally thank them as well. Are they here?
All right.
Okay. And then also, I'd also like to recognize Miss Jesselyn Grace.
That's right. Jesselyn Grace. Over 1 million followers in YouTube, everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. This is so cool.
All right, yes, you go.
Again, thank you everyone. It's really important to keep traditions like this alive because that's how we'll be able to preserve our culture. And so I really appreciate all of you coming out here, especially those of you who are also like around my age. It's really important for the younger generation to be a part of these events as well because we're the future of, LAO culture here in California. So yeah, again, thank you everyone for coming out and having me here.
Jesselyn. LAO roots. Go cow. How much to say? No, I'm LAO.
Yeah, thank you.
And of course, we couldn't do it with our beautiful MC, Miss Knit.
Yes, that's right. What? See, Miss Lips, man. Miss Lips?
Knit.
Oh, yeah.
บอกขอบใจเนาะขอบอกขอบใจทุกท่านเนาะจะน้อยจะมาแต่ทางเหนือคุณขับรถมาประมาณ4 ชั่วโมง every event with the Merced วัฒนธรรมลาว Foundation here I am to help just like all of you we do it with love so therefore everything is possible but again I cannot do it alone so I with all of you so ไม่ลำเดียวลมหัวบ่คอยพี่น้องบ่พร้อมกับแปลงใดกับบ่เหือเนาะหัวไล่หลักกินคนมันพี่น้องไล่สันตุพอดีเพิ่นว่าเพราะฉะนั้นแล้วก็ขอบอกขอบใจ thank you วัฒนธรรมLAO Foundation for having me every year and I'm such an honor to be at the service particularly for our community thank you
Okay, and also one last organization, and we have plenty of people we need to thank, but we're not going to give it all the certificates out today because it's about a party. Recognition, we all know we do it because we love our community enough for recognition, correct? Wat LAO Visalia, Wat Modesto as well, all the surrounding areas, we appreciate everybody coming to support, okay? Thank you so much. Let's continue with awards. Does anybody else have anything to say? Oh yeah, wait, one more thing.
I forgot to inform all of your teams are here today. LAO Boat Racing San Diego LAO Boat Racing Festival will be on September 21st in San Diego. So if you think you got what it takes here, take your asses down there. We want to see you. All right? We welcome you with open hearts. LAO Boats Racing Festival, San Diego, south of the border. TJ is right across the border. All right, just saying. All right, thank you so much.
Well, thank you. Yeah. Remember, September 21st, San Diego LAO Boat Racing Festival. So you better be there.